Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to show how a AI agent works as a graphics designer. AI agent can generate logo, generate ad creatives, and also generate assets and landing page mockup. In this video, we are going to show that how it's work and how can we build it. I know you are all know about AI automation. Let's see what happened. Let's open our and right here. I write some paid event to test our AI automation. Let's see what event. I write here, hi, I want to create a logo. Then let's see what is reply. Please provide the following details to create your logo. Brand from industry and business sector, brand vibe and personality. Optionally, it's a you can share 4 colors you want to include and the user context. For your kind information, when we give the details prompt to our AI agent, it give the accurate result and the quality result. Just we for testing purpose, we just before we set our text, now it copy and paste here. Let's see. You can see it's a very simple and very short message there to generate a logo. We provide it as a core message. For you, I have suggested that you use a details prompt to create a logo. When you use the detail prompt, it gives you the accurate result. It's working, and this is the basically our parent AI agent, and this is basically our multi AI agent. What's behind the scene? So here it is give us a drive link. Let's see what happened when we click it. Go for the drive link, and this is our logo. I think this logo is pretty cool for TNSU. We just prompting in the 3 line. TNSU marketing agency basically it's provide meta ads, campaign service, and we want a professional but modern logo which represent the marketing concept. Blue and white color combination. It's just a very basic prompting. So I think when you use detail prompting, it's give a good result. But the result is boom. I think it's a very cool result. This is our parent AI agent where you can input your desired message or desired queries through chatting model, or you can add this in your Telegram chatbot or your messenger or your WhatsApp chatbot, but as your wish. And this is our AI agent who is maintain this 4 sub workflow and one brain OpenAI. Basically, this OpenAI maintain all of things. So let's see what's the insight of our AI agent. This is our AI agent where is trigger when is yet some input like a logo generator or any other. This is basically our prompting in details. So this prompting means you asked, you give all the information, rules, regulation, and consideration that how you want how your AI agent works. So here we give the rule that you are the brain of an AI automation stack. You converse with end user, decide which special design agent to recruit. And we had mainly please pause this section and read all the prompting to better understanding. Tells prompting where we tell how the AI agent acts, how the AI agent classify the inputs like add creative generator, purpose generator, add image prompt without pated product, photo, required field, product name, target audience, key benefit, platform, tone, etc. And for add creative with image, generates add creative that must embedded a supplied product photo exactly as provided. Here you can see all the details. Please pause this section and read throughout. We want to make short video, so we not describe all this thing. Please do yourself. So this is basically our AI agent structure, and this is output. And second part is we use OpenAI as a brain, and here you have to connect it your credential. Then you have to select your AI agent model for which model chat is work behind the scene. We use ChatGPT 4.1 minimum. It is basically economical for testing purpose. And then we use a simple memory. It is mainly context window length memory. It's mainly works that how much last conversation it should reminder. I give it 5. You can change it 5, 10 or 20 just as you wish. This is one of our sub workflow where we generated logo, and here you can see we connected our the other workflow logo designer, and we define the description. We tell them yes, AI agent can describe it is automatically. If we just click here, you can see, and if we just let the model define this, that's mean we are give the permission to describe AI agent this parameter. Okay, and next our creative add creative. This is the same. Just you have to add your workflow name. Just you have to name this sub workflow. Here you put your description. Here you just select your sub workflow, and then you just on this button to define how to do or not to the AI agent. And this is also the same. Just you have to copy and paste and change the sub workflow. Let's see how on sub workflow work. Let's see generated logo. This is basically our generated logo workflow. What it do it when our parent AI agent works and call it through when executed by another workflow, it's coming the input. Let's see input description as a string. For this it's to null. Then this is our AI. This is our AI message model who is basically put the input and create a image prompt. Here you can see the image prompt basically which is the create our actual image, and here we set the prompt basically comes from here. Just you drag and drop here user role and the system model. Remember one thing, that the system model is the most important thing in automation project. We are tell here detail prompting that how it works, how we output format want, and what is important things. So please pause here and read it very carefully. It is very helpful to understand you how this workflow work. So then we come our HTTP request. This is basically the request to create the image, actual image. This is the URL and this is the post method, and you have to send headers using fields. And the part is here is the you have to type barrier, then your API key of your OpenAI, and here you can see the body part model DL3. We use model E3 to generate image and prompting which is come from previous AI model, and number of image 1, and this is the size, and this is just you copy and paste or write as it is. And this is when you execute this, you give a URL, image URL, and after that use another HTTP request where our image URL convert binary to string file. So we can see that in the web view link, and this is the Google Drive where we can upload it our image, and this is the set file where you can just set. This is the bunch of data from where we found just json.webview link. This is basically give us the web view link which we show earlier the video, and this is when we click this link it show our desired image. So this is the automation how it's work, and for the next automation it's called ascent design, and this is the same way it works. So you can just change the prompting and not anything you have to change. And for this landing page it is same, but in the section of we have to workflow sub workflow. Here you can when user send the image and told them to generate a add creative with this image, then it's follow this image. There is not anything change, just we change in the prompting, otherwise everything will be same. Here is the prompting, you just pause it and read it very carefully. I think you will be understand what it do and how it do. And this is the prompting. Basically this prompting change according to your need, nothing complicated. I think it's a very simple automation, and I think it is how it works. This automation I think you found helpful for this. I'm really grateful and thank you for your valuable time, and see you in the next